In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Netgear Genie app on Android. Although the Netgear Genie app is no longer available on the Google Play Store, it has been replaced by a more advanced app called the Netgear Nighthawk app. This app is now the recommended solution for managing supported Netgear routers. Understanding this transition is essential because the Nighthawk app offers improved features and functionality. So let's dive into the steps to get you started with your new app. First, let's open the Google Play Store. On your Android device, look for the Play Store icon, which typically resembles a colorful triangle. Once you tap on this icon, the Play Store will launch, displaying a wide range of applications available for download. This platform is your gateway to finding the Netgear Nighthawk app, so it's important to be familiar with its layout. You will see various categories and featured apps, creating an engaging experience as you browse. Next, you'll want to tap the search bar at the top of the screen. This bar is your tool for finding specific apps quickly. Once you tap on it, your keyboard will appear, allowing you to type. Having a dedicated search function makes locating the Nighthawk app much simpler. This step is vital because it ensures you are searching for the correct application, avoiding any confusion with other apps that may have similar names. After that, type Netgear Nighthawk into the search bar. As you begin typing, you might notice suggestions popping up below the bar. These suggestions can help guide you, but be sure to enter the full name to ensure precision. This is important because it helps you find exactly what you need without wasting time scrolling through unrelated apps. Once you've finished typing, you'll see a list of results that include the Nighthawk app. Now select Netgear Nighthawk Wi-Fi Router by Netgear Inc. This is the official app, and it's crucial to choose the correct one to ensure compatibility with your router. You will recognize it by its distinct logo, which typically features the Netgear branding. Selecting the right app guarantees that you will receive the latest updates and features that Netgear offers, enhancing your user experience. Next up, tap Install. This action initiates the download process. You might see a progress bar indicating how much of the app has been downloaded. This is reassuring because it lets you know that the installation is on track. It's also a good reminder to keep your device connected to Wi-Fi to avoid any interruptions during the download. Once the download finishes, tap Open. This will launch the Netgear Nighthawk app for the first time. You'll likely be greeted by a welcome screen that introduces you to the app's features. This moment is exciting as you step into a powerful tool for managing your router. Opening the app is a crucial step because it allows you to start taking full advantage of the functionalities it offers. After that, you may need to sign in with your Netgear account if prompted. Having an account is essential for accessing personalized features and settings. If you don't have an account yet, the app will guide you through the sign-up process. This is important because it allows you to manage your router settings securely and conveniently. If you encounter any issues, don't worry, as this process is straightforward and user-friendly. Now, allow the requested permissions. The app may require access to certain device features like location services or Wi-Fi settings. Granting these permissions is essential for the app to function correctly and provide you with the best experience. This step ensures that you can fully utilize all the app's capabilities without restrictions. Finally, you can start managing your compatible Netgear router. With the Nighthawk app, you can monitor your network, change settings, and even manage connected devices with ease. This makes managing your home network more efficient than ever. Enjoy exploring all the features and rest assured that you now have the best tool at your fingertips for your Netgear router.